Are you taking the OET exam in a few days? Then watch this video where I show you how to prepare last minute. Hi, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses. We are OET premium preparation providers, which means you are in the right place to pass your OET. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Let's go! Okay, so you have your exam booked for a couple of weeks' time or even days. Don't panic. There are many things you can do to increase your chances of success before the exam. Ideally, you would have spent weeks and months preparing for your OET exam, and these final few days are just to consolidate all the hard work that you have done. But even if you haven't spent as much time as you would have liked, you can still make a difference now. So, the week or two before your exam, you can review the strategies for each paper. Don't try and do it all in one day, perhaps take a different subtest each day. Think about planning your study time around your work and personal commitments so you can use any free time you have effectively. Review your old writing tasks, compare them to the sample letters. You can compare things like language, organisation, and most importantly, content selection. Review previous reading and listening practice tests that you've completed. Analyse why your answers are correct and others are incorrect. Practice your speaking with a friend or colleague. Record yourself and analyse how well you did. Then repeat the same task, only better. Read sample letters for the writing test. Make a note of useful language from them. Things you might focus on are tenses, time referencing phrases and linkers, language for requesting, and language to describe treatment. Review your common grammatical errors. For example, if you find passive difficult, make sure you do some work on that so you are more confident for the exam. Read as much as possible so your brain is used to reading long texts. Like a warm-up, use websites such as theconversation.com. Listen to as much English as possible using podcasts and radio programs so your brain gets into English mode in plenty of time. And do a practice test in time conditions so you are prepared for what it feels like in the exam. Once you have finished, make sure you analyse your answers. We have mock tests available on our website with immediate feedback on reading and listening and teacher feedback on the writing and speaking, so check it out. Link below. Only have a few days? Here are some last-minute things you can do before your exam. Read through any notes you have made during your preparation. Review the format of the exam. Make sure you know what each part looks like. Remind yourself of timings and how you should record your answers on the question paper. Review the strategies for each of the papers. Make sure you are confident about what you need to do in the exam. Review useful language for speaking and writing. Watch an OET roleplay on the OET official YouTube channel to remind yourself of a confident roleplay performance. And decide on your weakest area and watch a video or two on our YouTube channel or OET official. And what about the day before the exam? Let's have a look. Don't try and cram a week's worth of study into one day. You will only make yourself stressed and confused. Review your notes, read a few sample letters or watch a few videos the day before, but stop by the evening and rest your mind. Prepare your bag. Make sure you have everything you need for test day, especially your ID. For information on what to take, watch our video on test day, link below. Try and get a good night's sleep so your mind and body relax before the big day. Okay, so to recap my top tips for last minute preparation. Don't do too much. Review, practice, get organised, rest, don't panic, and succeed in the OET exam. I'd like to know when you are planning to take the test. Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please like and share with your friends and colleagues so we can help more people achieve success in the OET exam. Don't forget to check out our website, see how we can help you with your OET prep. See you next time. Bye! You can still make a difference now. I'm hesitating. I'll do it again. Sorry. Oh no, and